This is an installation video for your NinjaTrader-8 digital license from Closeview Trading Signature Series. Please watch this video carefully as there are some quite exacting but easy setup steps to install your new custom indicator. Now, if you're a new user to NinjaTrader, the assumption is you'll have the latest version of the platform installed. But if you're an existing user of NinjaTrader, you'll need to check which version of the platform you're running, as there is a minimum version requirement for this add-on. To check your current version, go to Control Center within NinjaTrader-8, go to Help on the main taskbar, then About, and you'll be given an information window with the version number at the top. If you're running a version older than 8.0.21, you'll need to do an update install now before you can get into importing your custom add-on. Just a word of note is that this should not affect any other custom add-ons you have imported in the past, and in fact it's only a good thing because you'll be up to date with the latest from NinjaTrader in that way. To update to the latest version of NinjaTrader-8, here's the link you're after. You may want to pause this video and pick up these steps again when you're complete. First up, you will have received a file containing your digital license via an FTP link sent to you in an email. Extract or save the file contained in the FTP link and save off on your computer or digital storage device to a safe place where you can easily retrieve it in the next step. Next, open your NinjaTrader-8 platform. Go to Control Center and then select Tools from the main menu bar. Go to Import, go to NinjaScript Add-on, and from there you'll be asked to select a file name of the custom add-on you're looking to import. Navigate to the folder where you saved the zip file sent via the FTP site or email. Depending on your custom settings, you may receive an on-screen message prompting you to only install custom add-ons from a trusted source. As an approved NinjaTrader ecosystem vendor, you can comfortably tick yes to that prompt. One thing to note is that any custom scripts you might have purchased in NT7 will not populate to NT8 as they are quite separate platform versions. If everything has gone to plan with the prior steps, you will get this confirmation message saying your scripts have been successfully imported. Your custom tool, in this case the CT Fibonacci fan, should now be populated in your NT8 indicator directory. If you're new to NT, you can navigate to the indicator directory via this icon on the main taskbar of any chart. With your NT8 platform open, let's step through how to load your custom tool to any chart. On the main menu bar of any chart, select Indicators to pull up the indicator directory. Select the tool CT Fibonacci Fan under C in the directory. Highlight it, select Add, then OK, and next you'll notice this icon with the letter F on the main menu bar of your chart. Simply click this button, then click anywhere on the chart, and voila, there's your Fibonacci fan. In fact, if you get into the practice of clicking below price after selecting the F button, your Fib fan will populate in the upwards direction, and the reverse holds true. If you click above price action after the F button, your Fibonacci fan will populate in the downwards position. A little tip that might save you a bit of time, and if you're an intraday trader, well, time savings are definitely worth money. Otherwise, just highlight the apex of the fan to get this grey arm to appear, and you can move the fan manually. It's also the way to remove it. Now to customize the look and feel of your fan, like change color, line thickness, and what lines are actually visible. For this, go back into the indicator panel, access the properties panel of the tool within that menu, and you can see there's all the options you need to color code and handle display characteristics. NT8 has a wonderful template save feature, so you can make the changes you want and preserve the settings for future use. Just see the template button here. One final feature to highlight is the ability to change the Splay configuration of your Fib fan according to distinct user preferences. You might be interested to know that you're not restricted to staying with the 6 default levels that populate when the fan is first installed, and this may appeal to you if you're somebody that works in half fib calculations, or you prefer to work in, say, decimal fractions, 25%, 50%, 75%, which of course are not part of the fib sequence, but it's nice that the tool gives you the flexibility nonetheless. To make these sort of changes, simply change the value in the input retracement box here in the properties panel. Restore the defaults by going to Template, then Reset. And if you find you work between both the default settings and your custom settings, think about creating a template for each, once again from the Template submenu here, which is on every indicator in NT8, and that way it's quick and easy to retrieve the inputs. That's pretty much it. It's very intuitive and simple. Enjoy your Fibonacci fan.